Continuing with the NOR gate, we have a typical 7402 quad 2 input NOR gate integrated circuit in the lower left. If we look over to the right with the circuit diagram, notice that the difference, and you can look at the symbol diagram to the left as well, that in this case the output is on pin 1 and the two inputs are pins 2 and pins 3. On the output pin 1 we have an LED tied to indicate the state of the output. Now if we look at the two inputs, they are both tied to ground, which gives us a low state at the inputs with both of them low. That results in a high state on the output at pin 1, lighting the LED. Now let's look at digital signal coding. Now here, if a signal goes high to activate a circuit, with the bubble on the input, that indicates that the signal has to go low to activate the circuit. Now that on the one on the right, the pin has to be, this input needs to be high for the chip to operate, and the one with the bar over the symbol indicates that the pin needs to be low for the chip to operate. On the outputs, in this case, we have an active high output with just the straight output symbol, but with the bubble at the output, that's saying that it is a active low output.